We're just heading up on the entrance of Yellowstone right now. There's nobody here because it's evening time, so it's usually really busy right through here. This is the insane line that we saw as we were coming out of Yellowstone the next day of people coming into Yellowstone. It stretched all the way back to the highway coming into West Yellowstone. So the plan for today is we got into the park a little late because it's our first day. We usually come in to look for animals, so the best time to do that would be like morning and evening. And so today we're heading out to Hayden Valley, right? Hayden Valley? Heading out to Hayden Valley to look for animals tonight, and then we're going to camp at Bridge Bay tonight. And then tomorrow morning we're going to get up early again and head out to Hayden Valley because the road from Canyon to Tower is closed because of snow. And then in the evening we'll try and go up to Lamar Valley. Those are the places we usually go to find animals. Looks like there's an animal traffic jam. Oh yep, there's the animal right there. I can zoom and see there's an elk standing on the side of the road. Oh my gosh, there's bears out here. Babies and a mama! Ow! I can't believe it.
And then we saw it.
You can tell from the video how excited I was. Anyway, we watched them until they went into the forest and then we kept on driving. Not 5 minutes down the road, we come across another bear. I was just in total shock. Later on that night, while driving through Hayden Valley still, we also saw a pack of wolves as well as a coyote on the side of the road. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. And that is a coyote. There. And then it started getting dark, so we went to our camping spot. So we ended up booking this last minute and got a tent site. So we decided we were going to sleep in the back of the car. So we put the seats down and set up a bed back here with our sleeping bags. And we have our cooler there, just in the back of the car. Heading over to the bathroom to brush my teeth. These are nice campgrounds. They have good bathrooms with running water. All of the sites, whether you're in a tent or an RV, as long as they have no hookups, are the same price. We paid $41 per night, but it's like a holiday weekend, so. Okay, here's the bathroom. Has a light and a heater. A couple of 3 stalls. Oh, there we go. Since we pulled into the dark last night, I wanted to show you our camp area really quick. It did snow last night, but sleeping in the back of the car worked really well. So here's a bear box. That's to keep your food in so that bears don't get in your tent. A picnic table and just a little fire pit. But it was really quiet. It's really beautiful out here. So, and I showed you guys the bathrooms last night. But here we go. Okay, so it snowed that night. We stayed warm in the car. We only turned it on once or twice. We had sleeping bags, so we were okay. We went back through Hayden Valley on our way to Lamar Valley that morning, where we saw a bear feasting on a carcass. So that was crazy. As we were watching that, we turn around and across the street there's a black bear up on the ridge. So We're standing here watching a grizzly cross the river, and there is a black bear right there. Yeah, you can see this like knocked over tree. See it? It's crazy. It's right there. And here is another grizzly bear, just barely down the way from where we were. So this is why we come out in the morning. It's always lucky, I feel like, to see the animals, but you increase your chances a lot if you wake up early and come in the morning or go in the evening. There we saw a brown bear with a cub that was a brown black bear with a cinnamon cub black bear as well. So we watched the bears, I take some videos of the bears. We even got the spotting scope out to see the one on the hill and the one eating carcass as well. And then on our way out of Hayden Valley, we see tons of people. So we stopped because that's one of our secrets, is that if there's people stopped on the side of the road, there's usually something cool, even if you didn't see it. And so we pull over and look up the road, and there's a wolf literally right on the side of the road trying to cross to get to a kill on the other side. If you're coming to Yellowstone to see animals, really the key to success is, it's always going to be like somewhat luck to see animals, but also I think you can increase your chances of seeing animals a lot by getting up early to see them in the morning, like when it's cooler outside and they're eating, and then again around dusk when the sun's going down. We've seen a lot of animals out. I think before we started getting up early, I don't think I'd even seen a bear in Yellowstone in all the years we've come. But since getting up early, we've seen basically every animal in Yellowstone, or I think a moose. So if you want to see animals in Yellowstone, get up early or come in late.